I really didn't want to record this video. I'm really bored and I'm tired and I just really didn't want to make it. It's so late. But I remember the penguin that headed for the mountains and so here I am making a shitty YouTube video instead. Anyway, last time I showed you the code for snake and before that I showed you the code for tic-tac-toe. This time we have a pong game. And as usual, I followed the tutorial from Coding with Us. And this one was surprisingly easier, if I remember correctly. Um, the part that I thought would be the hardest was the AI for the other player. However, that turned out to be rather surprisingly easier. So yeah, there is a few problems in this code as well, like the snake game, but I'll tell you later on. The whole code, by the way. Not a lot. It is it is 168 lines. Really nothing. Let me show you the game. That's not it. Yes, there it is. So here's the game window. You can see that we have implemented a speed feature. This is basically the ball or how fast the ball goes around here. The AI and this is the U. It's not like a crazy AI, ChatGPT or whatnot. It's just a basic AI, and I'll tell you how it tracks works. First, let's show you the game. I'm controlling the bar with, or the paddle with my arrow keys. Up arrow key for up and down arrow key for down. Uh, let's try to win, Noel. Actually, rather difficult to win, by the way, for some reason. Um, Maybe because I haven't played this game that much before. However, I have noticed a pattern. Alright, so here's the pattern. First thing that you'll notice is that the speed is 7. And the weird thing that I've noticed about this particular code is that anytime the speed reaches 7, the AI just for some reason fails to work. But I guess first let's tell you how AI works in the first place. So this is the ball, right? The AI basically works by finding the position of the ball and then placing its rectangle, this paddle, or basically we use the Pygame's rectangle function and placing the rectangle in position that's aligned with the ball's position, if that makes sense. So it tracks the ball and it places the center of the rectangle with the ball, right? Like in the same axis. So that's how the AI works. But the weird thing is, the AI cannot really defeat you if the speed crosses 6 for some reason. As soon as the speed reaches 7, the AI just fails. Before that, it's really hard. Well, another thing that I'm gonna show you is, hold on, let me try and lose first. Okay, the next thing that you'll notice is that the ball will always start from here and the patterns are always repeated. So as you can see, like for the past 3 games, the ball has just come to this exact same places. See, it's the exact same. And I think it's because we didn't really import random or use any variable that randomizes the ball's positioning. So it's just so weird. It's just repetitive. It's the same thing over and over again. So you can just really memorize the steps. Wait, as you can see, the very first step, the ball will go, and the second step, the same exact pathing. There's just literally no difference. It's the same path, which means it is going to be rather easier for me to show you uh, how the AI loses at 7. I don't know why it does, by the way. I just know it does. The speed has reached 5. That's good. Okay, oh my god, I'm a fucking moron. Alright, hold on. There's another glitch that I've noticed. I don't know if I'll be able to recreate it, but if I can, I will show it to you. Hold on. But let me try and win first. I am. What the fuck am I doing? Whatever. Hold on. Alright, now it'll go at the bottom, right? And then it'll go around here. Yes, around there. And then it'll go at the top, right? See, did you see that glitch? That is the glitch that I was talking about. I don't know why that happens, but it happens sometimes. It just And as you can see, as soon as the speed reaches 7, the AI loses. I think it's because we chose the frame rate to be at about 30. So the AI just can't physically move its paddle in position with the ball, or just can't keep up with the ball. I think that's what's happening. But if you don't put the FPS at 60, or it's at 60, sorry. So if you don't put the FPS at 60, it's just gonna look really weird. Hold on, let's try it actually. Um, let's put it at 30 for now. This is this to see what happens. But I think the battle will move very, very quickly, and that's gonna be super annoying. Oh my god, so slow. Out of this in the wrong scale. Whatever. Um, so yeah, that's what I've noticed with the code. I don't know how to fix it. I don't think the AI is gonna be fast enough to like move its rectangle in the position of the ball for speed 7 for some reason, and I do not know why that is. Alright. My hypothesis is that the frame rate isn't really fast enough for it to keep up. Oh, please. And as for the glitch that I showed you earlier, the where the ball just randomly moved around in the battle, I don't know why that happens either. It sometimes happens from the left side, right, like right here, and sometimes it happens here, which makes no sense because it first collides with the battle and then collides with this outer wall, which does not make any sense because as soon as the ball reaches the outer wall, it should just instantly die, but it doesn't. Well, anyhow, this is the AI score, this is me, this is speed, this is how everything is implemented in this particular game anyway. And you might have noticed that throughout all of my games, I've been doing a theme of black and white. It's not that like I like those colors, it's just that I do not know how to implement better colors. I'm just I'm just worried that using a more fun color, say, will just ruin the game because it looks so ass. But yeah, this is the Pong game. Oh, by the way, I implemented, or I didn't. He implemented object-oriented programming by making classes, which was quite smart. But I don't know why he made a class for the ball, but as for the battle, it made absolute sense to have a class so that we could just make two battles, the AI battle and our battle. Yeah, that's quite smart. Yeah, so I'll be making more games and uploading more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Will be it for today. Bye.